that.
It's up on top of the refrigerator.
And it's that white one. That white cover.
You gonna call your other Valentine from your family? You should probably call her. She's waiting for you to call her. And no, she is.
Who?
Your grandma Rhonda.
You should call her and tell her how good the Valentine cookie was that she gave you. Let's put you back. There you go.
What does it taste like?
What
Where's Ariadne? There she is! Got her. Got her.
Let her. Will you just let her play with
You
it?
need to be a little more gentle.